Subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. Whenever you have two or more fractions with the same denominator and you're asked to subtract one from the other, this is how it is done. Example. Simplify 7/10 minus 3/10. Solution. 7/10 minus 3/10. First thing, you draw your division line and then you write the common denominator, which is 10. Next thing you do is to perform the arithmetic subtraction of the numerators. Here we have 7 minus 3. Now when you perform 7 minus 3, you end up with 4/10. When you consider this answer here, you see that we can still break this to its least possible term, because 4 and 10 have a common factor, which is 2. Therefore, we divide the numerator by 2 and 10 by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, and 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. Therefore, 7/10 minus 3/10 will give us 2/5. Thank you.